Hey, good morning, everybody. This is David with Selman Home Inspections. I'm in Addison, Texas this morning doing an inspection on a townhome. It's 3 stories. I'm looking at the water heater this morning doing this inspection, and it's above it's on the 3rd floor of this townhouse. So one of the things that I want to talk about is anytime a water heater is installed above the 1st floor, we really want to see a water sensor in that drain pan or overflow pan, just to make sure that it can either shut the water off or at least warn someone that there is potential water damage. Coming around looking at this water heater, down here at the bottom we can see that there's a lot of corrosion on the outside of the tank, which was an indication of some leakage or corrosion. We always want to check and look at the manufacture date and record the capacity of it. This one's 50 gallons, and I believe this was from 2008. Working our way up this water heater, you can see behind the thermal pressure relief valve there are indications of leakage. So we've got this rust or corrosion that's coming out from the thermal pressure relief valve. So it may be time to replace this water heater. Coming up on the top here, looking pretty good. We have a little bit of corrosion around the intake, the water line, with some minor indications of leakage there. And coming on up, this device right there is called an expansion tank. Anytime that there is a water pressure regulator installed in a home, they should have this installed as well at the water heater. Coming on over and looking at the water supply lines, they put some kind of a water tap in there which has some corrosion and leakage, and the water supply valve itself is showing signs of age and wear and corrosion. So again, that valve should be replaced. Following that line all the way down, you get to here, this tap line or whatever type of drain that this auxiliary drain is, it's actually leaking. There's some water here, and you can probably see all that corrosion around it from leaking, and a lot of corrosion down here at the bottom of it, and some water. So we've got water staining around that. So just wanted to review with you guys a few of the things to look for on water heaters. When you're out looking for a new home, you can stick your head in there and poke around and just look at the water heater, and you might be able to identify some of those things that we would commonly find in a home inspection, and give you a little bit better information. So again, this is David with Selman Home Inspections. I hope you'll check out our YouTube channel, visit us on Facebook, and of course visit our website and order your home inspections today. 469-371-3228. Thanks, and have a great day.